Have you ever seen a rock that sparkles in the sunlight? That's schist, a metamorphic rock with a fascinating story hidden in its layers. Let's dive deep into the world of schist. Schist is formed through a process called metamorphism. It starts as sedimentary rocks like shale or mudstone buried deep within the Earth's crust. Over millions of years, high heat and pressure transform these rocks into the beautiful layered schist we see today. As the pressure increases, minerals in the rock reorganize, forming distinct shiny layers. This gives schist its unique texture. One of the key features of schist is its foliated texture. This means the minerals are arranged in layers, making it easy to split into thin sheets. Schist is often rich in minerals like mica, garnet, quartz, and graphite, giving it a distinctive shiny, glittery look. Not all schists are the same. There are different types based on the dominant mineral present. Mica schist contains mica, making it silky and reflective. Garnet schist has red garnet crystals, sometimes used in jewelry. Graphite schist, rich in graphite, can even leave marks like a pencil. Schist isn't just a beautiful rock, it has many practical uses. Construction material used for flooring, roofing, and as a decorative stone. Jewelry and sculptures, garnet schist is sometimes carved into ornaments. Geological studies help scientists understand Earth's metamorphic history. Schist is commonly found in mountainous regions around the world, including the Himalayas, the Scottish Highlands, and the Appalachian Mountains. These areas were once subjected to intense geological forces, creating these fascinating rocks. From deep within the Earth to the surface, schist tells a story of transformation, time, and pressure. The next time you see a sparkly rock, take a closer look. It might just be schist. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to On the Earth for more amazing geology content.